Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sign up and log in to the Prisma app for the first time. Here I am using iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the steps are almost the same on Android too. First, you need to open Prisma app on your phone. If this is your first time opening the app, you will see a welcome screen. Now tap on continue or get started. Prisma will ask you to sign in or create an account. You will see a few login options like continue with iPhone, continue with Google or email. Sign up using Apple ID. Tap on continue with Apple. Your iPhone will ask you to confirm using Face ID. Once you approve it, your account will create automatically. No extra step needed. If you choose Google, select your Google account and confirm. For email, enter your email address, create a password and follow the steps on the screen. After sign up, Prisma may ask for the permission. Tap allow so the app can access your photo and save edited image. Now you are logged in successfully. You will see the main Prisma screen where you can start editing photo right away. Log in next time you will open Prisma again. It will log in automatically. If not, just tap on login. Choose the same method you used before and confirm. And that's it. You have successfully signed up and logged into Prisma for the first time. And that's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.